Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you will never miss any video. And don't forget to like my channel and comment down below how was my video.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one.
3. Let us now see how much time will it take to get boot up. And the build quality of the phone is very good. They give a charger and a USB cable and a cover, and it comes with VOOC charging. And as you can see, Realme has taken a very good initiative by launching Realme XT. This is the first phone having 64 megapixel camera, and as you can see, it has booted up. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.